Hello guys, you want to watch how I made 4K dollars with just $20? Please watch this video till the end and don't skip a bit of this video because every single part of this video teaches you step by step on how to become a successful forex trader. If you're actually watching this video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, share this video, and make sure you comment what you actually learned in this video. Now I'm going to teaching you guys a few steps in forex trading. If you're actually a beginner in forex trading, if you are seeing it very difficult to make profit in forex trading, or maybe anytime you want to trade in forex trading, you always blow your account in any way you have grown your account to. In You can actually grow your account to massive profit, or maybe you fund account and you grow it to massive profit, but you end up blowing your account because of lack of knowledge in forex trading. Now I'm going to be showing you guys a few steps on how to grow your account without blowing your account and successful withdraw your account and become a successful trader just like anyone in the forex market. Now watch this video to the end. Like I said, follow this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to as many as you can. As you can see, we are actually in massive profit. We are in massive profit, and we ain't gonna lie. This is actually volatility 75. We're trading, and we are in uh 4 hours time frame. You can see we are using one lot size to trade this particular market, and with one lot size you already know how profitable this market could be and how profitable this market is going with us. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be giving you guys a little offer. A lot of my subscribers in YouTube and in my other YouTube and in uh, in my Telegram channel asking me if I should do account management because they are in a loss. A lot of people don't really want to go into risking their capital in forex trading. So I will be sharing a good news with you guys. Now I'll manage your accounts. Please come into my DM. I'll be dropping my links to my Telegram channel, to my Telegram DM. Come into my DM. I will be managing your account to massive profit. And don't forget, minimum you can come with is $100. Come to me. I'll be the one managing your account, and I will make massive profit and massive withdrawal for you guys. This is actually a lifestyle offer. I don't normally used to manage account, but I just have to do it for the for my subscribers. And please, another good news, I had an open Telegram channel where I will be sharing free signals every morning and every day in that particular free Telegram channel. I'll be sharing free Telegram free forex trading signals, and I'll be teaching you guys on how to begin and on how to place a trade in that particular free Telegram channel. And moreover, you all remembered my VIP Telegram channel where all the teachings are being done. There you can actually learn massively on how to be a successful trader, on how to become a big trader yourself. Now I have a little bit offer for you guys. Now I reduce a few for VIP Telegram channel, so you guys should come to my DM and let's discuss about the registration of VIP Telegram channel for you to learn and be successful in forex trading. And moreover, I always tell you guys, don't come to my DM and start asking me questions if I know how to trade, if I don't know how to trade. This is actually a company account which I grew to massive profit. So don't come to my DM and start asking me questions. Now I'm going to be giving you a little tips on how to become a successful trader. First of all, you need to know how to manage your candlesticks. Now, you know about candlesticks. I taught you guys on how to make use of your candlesticks, on how to look and learn how to move with the candlesticks. Candlesticks are moved by the big boys in forex trading. You know, when the big boys are in the market, you have to move with them. So I've already dropped a video on how to move with the big boys in the forex trading for you not to be against the big boys, or for you not to be in loss, or in loss group, or in loss team. Now I taught you guys on how to be a big boys followers and stuff in forex trading. You guys should go back to my recent videos I uploaded and watch on how to be that massive movement in big boys trading. Now I'm going to be giving you guys tips on how to not to lose your account or blow your account in forex trading. First of all, you need to have what they call knowledge about forex trading. You need to learn how to place your take loss and stop profit. uh, stop loss and take profit. Pardon, stop loss and take profit. So you need to learn how to handle and take care of those two weights, those two weights, those two materials in forex trading are very important materials to be a successful trader. You have to practice those two weights. Now, those two weights are, for instance, why I said is very important in forex trading. If you are actually a trader, maybe you've seen a signal from elsewhere, you analyze the market, you know exactly where to enter the market, and you see a moving trade, and you really want to take in this market. Maybe as a person that don't have knowledge, then you place a trade, then you don't take a profit, and you don't put your take loss and take a profit. Now you lose, you have your trade going to your, maybe moreover, maybe probably to your profit. You're having 1k dollars profit, 2k dollars profit in a row, and you think, okay, everything's all right, I'm becoming a successful trader, I'm making it. Before you know it, you are heading to 3k profit. Before you close your eyes and open it, your account and blue. Do you know the reason? Because you are actually using your smaller size to risk a very high risk. Now you're going for 10k dollars with your smaller size, and without knowing that the market can reverse anytime. Now go into my Telegram channel. I'll be teaching you guys, mentoring you guys on how to be a successful trader, on how to monitor, on how to place your stop loss and take profit in a row. So you guys should watch out my new videos I'll be dropping, and please go back to my old videos and watch and like and comment. Tell me what you think about the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow up for more. Share this video to as many as you can, and I still remain your boy, First Money Trade. Will make a lot of profit. Please join the winning team in this forex trading. I'll be dropping my links on my comment section for you guys to contact face to face, or contact one to one with me in a row. Have a nice day. Thank you.